I feel like those are all my videos. All my videos are me saying like, I know I haven't done videos in a long time, but I'm back. And then I disappear. Hey guys, and welcome to my latest video. Today I am going to talk about soap. Are you guys tired of paying high prices at, where did we buy this? Anyone know? Are you guys tired of paying high prices at Bath and Body Works? I know I am. Let's do the math on how much I spend on buying these soaps. Each bottle is $6.50. So if you're anything like me, you're tired of paying these high prices for soap that doesn't even last that long. Now, I know I could go to Costco and get this big old tub of like soap or throw a bar of soap, but I'm bougie and I like foam. I don't know why, but I really like foam soap. So, let's try to see if we can make our own foam soap, shall we? And if it doesn't work, then it's fine. I will continue to pay these outrageous prices and just wait for people to give me gift cards on my birthday so I don't have to pay for it. Let's begin. You're gonna need Castello. I don't have any of that. I'm not gonna buy that on Amazon. It's gonna defeat the whole purpose. But I do have this Suave Kids gentle on sensitive skin, no dyes, tear-free body wash that is unscented. So it's basically soap that is not scented. So I also picked up vegetable glycerin, and the only reason I have this one is because I was already doing other projects with it. And the most important thing is your essential oils. So you want to get like a soap bottle that matches the scent you're gonna do. I didn't do that. So basically you just have to buy one and then you can make soap forever. And then people think they're like, ooh, you're spending all this money on these soaps, and you're not, you're actually just making it yourself. So we're gonna try this imitation soap. We're gonna use 1/4. All right, 1/4 soap in the hatch. That's gonna make a mess. Now 1 cup of water. Kirkland water, be specific. No, it actually doesn't matter. Okay, 1 teaspoon of, is it glycerin? Vegetable glycerin? Ah, it squirted. It squirted on me. All right, so the recipe that I'm following says to do 5 drops of lavender and 5 drops of lemon. I don't like lavender and I don't have lemon. I have lemongrass, but I don't think that's the same. So I'm gonna just do 15 of the orange sweet. 13, 14, 15. All right, so supposedly that's it. So I just have to swirl it around. Just doesn't look like it's mixed in properly. I'm just gonna give it a shake. It says, do not shake, swirl. But I'm just gonna shake it. So moment of truth, people. Moment of truth. Okay, so I guess if you want to make it a color, you could always put like, let's put some dye in it. Just to make it look, because look at how cute this one looks, and then people are gonna totally know. All right, so I'm gonna get food coloring. I have neon. So before we start adding neon colors, I just want to see if it works. This will be the original. So this is how it looks. Moment of truth, people. Let's see if this one works. Ooh, snap! Look at that. Just like it. Does it soap up? Oh, she is. Look at that, you guys. Oh my God, something I did actually worked. Ooh, it smells like oranges. Duh. But like it's not like super like strong. So if you want it to be a little bit stronger, then I would just add more essential oil. All right, guys. Now I want to add the food coloring. Okay, so this is obviously a step that you don't have to do, and you probably shouldn't, but let's just see what happens. See, now that looks more like Bath and Body Works, right, you guys? Like, obviously these aren't the same colors, but if I did this mix with the watermelon mix bottle, it would have totally gone. But I don't think that far ahead, so. Okay, now let's see if it stains your hands. There is pink on here, so maybe it's not the best idea. Maybe not. I totally nailed it, you guys. I don't know about you, but I nailed it. I'm super impressed with myself. I'm just gonna make these and give them out for Christmas. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of something that actually worked. I know I did. Wow, what an amazing feeling. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will link down the items that I use down below. You know, if you want to use those items.